Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my long awaited little review video using my Alchemist holographic palette. I don't know, quote me if I'm saying it wrong, I will write it right here. But I did a Sephora unboxing and this was marked down to $10 I believe. And it was originally $35 palette, and I told you guys I wanted to play around with this because this is a multi-use palette. You can use it for highlight, you can use it to highlight your brow bone, you can use it for an inner corner to make your eyeshadow pop, you can even add it to your lips. So one thing I do love about multi-use makeup is it's multi-use. So you don't just have one thing and you're like, girl. So yeah, the packaging just looks something like this. I hope you guys can see the holographic that it is giving off. So here is the back. It just talks about the date. It is good for 12 months. Little tip, if you keep your house at a reasonable temperature, your humidity is not too high or too low, pretty much your makeup can last quite a bit. So I really don't follow these. If you're somebody who follows those, hey, whatever. But when your makeup just starts looking terrible, then I would throw it away. So yeah, and then this is what the side of it looks like. And then we will dive into this. So it does have a mirror, but I don't want to blind you guys. Here is what the packaging looks like. So it does, I'm not sure if you guys are getting a glare or anything, but a lot of times a lot of people say that these all look like one color, but if you actually see it in person, you can tell that there is different shadings to this. Like this one I believe is like the green, and then this one is purple. This one's kind of like a beige, and then a silver. Like I said, I don't know if you guys are picking that up on the camera. Alright you guys, so for this testing purposes, I am going to go in with a fluffy brush like this, and then a short stubbed brush like this for inner corner and highlight. So one thing I do want to tell you guys really quick is I am going to swatch these, and I really want you guys to ignore my ashy ass hands. My hands dry out very bad in the winter time, and I put lotion on it, and they dry and crack out. Like I have sores, and then my fingers busted, and my nail polish is all messed up. Welcome to my life. So yeah, I'm going to dip into, let's see, I am going to go in with Ultraviolet, and I want to use that as my highlight today. Just be a little bit extra. Now, I was reading reviews. A lot of people said do not use a lot of this product because it goes a long way. So we're going to test this out. And holy, okay you guys, like I said, very little product. I took a little time off camera just to blend it and to make sure, but you guys, I have no foundation on and it's already booming. I'm hoping you guys are seeing this. But yeah, you guys, I barely dipped into the product, and all I did was just like blend it out to make sure it didn't look harsh. And you guys, I am getting a lot of product, and there's hardly any product left on the brush, so most of it went on my face, which is a good thing. And this is beaming, you guys. Like, I can see this. I'm hoping you guys can see this as well. But holy girl. Okay. So, the next color I'm going to go in with is, I want to go in with, let's go in with pink opal right here. And I want to apply that to the inner corner of my eyes, just to make my eyes pop today. One thing is, if you just want to wear like some eyeliner, holy, can you guys see this? Like, it comes off white in the pan, but it is pink in the inner corner of my eyes. I like this. I think this is gonna be my new look. Oh my god, you guys. Can you guys see that? Like, I legit want to show you guys. Like, in the pan, it looks white. This color down here. But it comes off this really gorgeous soft pink in the inner corner of your eyes. So it definitely would make your eyes pop if you want to just do a simple eye look like I'm doing today. And then poof, pop a little bit of inner corner. This palette right here, you guys, would be so gorgeous. Just if you want to do a simple look and just go on with your day, you don't want to get fully jazzed, here you go. Alright, you guys, so the next one I want to go in with is Blue Sapphire. Feeling a little crazy today, so we got purple highlighter, we have pink inner corners. So let's do, actually, you know what, I'm gonna go in with green emerald up here in my highlighting bone because I want to save the blue for my lips. I'm showing you guys all the different ways that you can use this palette. Holy, do you guys see that? So if you want to be beaming to the gods and you want your eye look to really pop, I would definitely use this palette, you guys. I'm not being sponsored. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I know you guys, a lot of people like makeup, but makeup can be very expensive. And I literally found this little contouring highlighting palette. It's not a contouring palette. Highlighting palette. And I wanted to share with you guys. $10, originally $35. I was a little skeptical because I'm like, there's got to be a reason why it's $10. But it's blowing me away, you guys. So do you guys see that green? It is really pretty green. It is, if you want to be extra jazzy for the day. So I'll let you guys see exactly so far my eyes. So I do have the green and my highlighting bone, and then the pink in the inner corner. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna go in with Blue Sapphire, which is this pretty color right here, and we're going to add it just to the center of our lips, because you can use this to brighten your lipstick or if you want to be extra jazzy. So let's try this. look at that. Like, that totally just kind of changed my lipstick vibe. Like, holy, like, I am legit, like, beaming to the gods, as Jeffree Star would say, with his Rival Enemies palette. And yes, you guys, so look at that. Like, I don't know, I am beaming to the gods today. Woo. So yes, you guys, so this is one thing I did want to share with you guys. It's very simple little review. Like I said, look, you guys, I could do a highlighting, I could do highlight, I could spice up my inner corner, I could even jazz up my lip color if I wanted to. You know, you don't have to follow each step that I did. If you want this palette and you want to be jazzed and crazy and all that stuff, you want to be that extra bitch that night, girl, yes, this would definitely be a cute little palette. It is still on Sephora for $10, so if you are interested in it, jump on Sephora and grab it while supplies last, especially now with Black Friday rolling around. But by the time you see this, Black Friday will probably be done and over with. But yeah, you guys, this is totally worth $10. Like I said, I was skeptical at first, but look at my results. Like, multi-use, if I want to be crazy, if I want to have that beaming highlight, girl, this is the palette to use. And once again, I'll let you guys see this gorgeous palette and my beaming face. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little review. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. And don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys. As we die.